Morning everyone. Now we're just going to show you how to thread your sewing machine and how to go fishing so that you pull up your bottom thread ready to do a little bit of sewing. So pop your cotton onto your holder just like we did for our bobbin winding. Pop that on. So you just follow the arrows. Most will have an arrow. You come around the back here, along the front, down on the right hand side with the arrow, around the bottom, back up again. You go in behind, there's a little lever in here which the cotton goes behind, and then it comes back down and it catches inside the hole. You're able to see the hole there? If it doesn't catch inside this hole, you'll have to restart again. So bring your cotton down, and then it goes behind this little holder here, which stops the cotton from coming out. And then pop your needle down. It's easier to thread it with it down. Pop your needle through the hole of your needle, and then to bring up the bottom thread, lift up your foot. Just turn the lever here on the right hand side, and this is called going fishing. As you turn the lever, gently pull the thread and your bobbin thread will come up from underneath. Then you can use something like perhaps a pair of scissors that can just pull up your bottom thread so that you have two threads going out the back of your machine. So now you are ready to sew. Just take your piece of fabric, pop it under your presser foot. You can use these lines as a guide. Check that you are on a straight stitch if you want a straight stitch. And gently, after you have make sure you put your foot down, that's very important. And then gently press on the presser foot on the ground, and you are all ready to sew a straight line. If you want to go backwards, just push this button here. You can go backwards a little bit. If you want to turn a corner, put your needle down, lift up the foot, turn your fabric, sew along. This is called pivoting, so that you can go around a corner. When you have finished sewing, it's good to sew just a small few stitches back and forwards. That stops your fabric from unravelling. And then to remove your cotton, it's very important to pull this quite a long way to the back, so you've got plenty of thread at the back. Then cut your fabric and you're ready to sew your next piece. Always make sure these two threads are well at the back so they don't get tangled, and don't cut them too short. If you cut them too short, they'll come out of your needle and you'll have to spend ages rethreading your needle. So that's a quick tutorial on how to thread a sewing machine.